with NJ. Now she tells Sandra reality. May she first video NJ is there, second video NJ is there, third video NJ is there. Now NJ tell her say, everybody, welcome to my Naija Daughter TV show. Yes, if today I'm first day of coming across this channel, welcome to my house, welcome to my space, welcome to my channel. Thank you all for coming. If this content you not find out friendly or you not like and please, no insult, you can drop your own opinion. Now my own opinion I dey drop for this video now, okay? Drop your own opinion. No no road for insult, okay? Now opinion we dey drop between Sandra and NJ, okay? Okay, no insult. Don't insult anybody. You drop your own opinion, I drop my own opinion. Yes, about Sandra and NJ talk. My people, my beautiful people out there, when I love my sister Sandra, when you love NJ, not be alone, I love them. All of us love them. Yes, ask me again. All of us, we love them. Yes, you can ask me. I don't use my ring light. I look at like the color is not friendly, you know. All of us love both of them. Okay, now love when we get. Now we take the find how both of them will take come together again. You know, when brother and sister they quarrel, person must date them. That is murder. And all person must date them when you go be their best, when you go settle them, when you go let the two sides know they are fault so that they will move on. No, they say teeth and tongue, they don't get where they run, they go. They still remain as a brother and sister. Except that person, you not send them again. You don't want to make need you at all at all. Neither they go their separate way. You know why I bring this topic? I beg now when they drop me a comment, I love now too, as God love every one of us. I love everybody, okay? I appreciate your comments. I can't wait to still read your comments again. Yes, subscribe if you never subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, like the video, share, okay? You are free to still drop your own opinion. We are all dropping our opinion. I don't look at like say, I'm right. No, I drop my own opinion. I can't wait to read your own opinion. I maybe give you love and reply you, you know. Yes, the reason why I bring this, my sister, Sandra reality show, come again. Now about she dropped a video about almost a hour, 1 hour. Settle down, we watch that video. You will see what I try to talk now. You know this our sister. I do video about her. I say, my sister. I look your mom like, you know, your mom. She's so quiet. She's so calm. She's my distance, my view when I look at her. She go there appreciating well. I remember when NJ and Sandra will go their house, how she go take do Sandra husband self. How she this woman tell it. Not all mother they are like that. You know, when you see good mother, you go test, you will talk, you will testify. You know, then I come out with those every Sandra reality. They know Sandra and NJ. They know they talk again. They know they do as they say they do before when they will come on social media. We miss those vibes. Yes. We miss those vibes, my sisters. We miss those vibes. Where it's still good if na stay quiet, everybody go their separate way without no cause, without no quarrel, without no come on social media as I first talked before. One person drop comment in my comment section say, Naija Daughter TV, go and watch Sandra reality video. When she drop on, she put on, when she drop, normal, I dey watch Sandra reality. Not every time they drop comment. I dey watch NJ. Not every time they drop comment because I feel that they will not call my house. You know, I drop comment for my content creator when I know say they will do where to come to my house. You understand? She said, waiting, the person talk Grace, because I do video for Grace. She said, Naija Daughter TV, please go kindly and watch the video Sandra did yesterday night, 6/10/2022. My annoyance is that people have been commenting as if she has been, depending on NJ throughout her life for her upkeeping. But she assists Sandra in starting up her YouTube channel, and note that NJ has been feeding Sandra all through most of the presentation about Sandra. About Sandra is very wrong. See, she mentioned the person name, carrying up Sandra story just because she is feeding friendship from all families. Sandra has been a very strong woman. Yes, Sandra has been a very strong woman. That one 100% Grace. If you come across this video again, Yeah, that is the first thing I love about this our sister Sandra reality. Whether you be sister, whether you be friend, whether you be anybody, that is the first thing I love about Sandra. Her strong, how she carry herself. You understand? That is the thing I love about Sandra. Yes, I don't watch the video. Yes, wait till she talk. 6 minutes don't go. Wait till our sister talk. Sandra reality. She talk about say when she don't already start to all the evidence they there. She show picture when she take the conductor. God bless you, sis. You are really a strong woman. Almighty God will keep on blessing you. Not beside the one. If it's fuck up tomorrow, I will still come out. Oh, you know, not all single mother, not all widows go do what you do so. You do conductor to put food for your children's table. You do any kind of job to put food for your children's table. Now may God bless you. Those our sisters, single mothers out there. I tell una say, may una go they follow this our sister, Sandra reality. Her story will make you strong. Her story will make you strong. Never you give up. Giving up is not the answer. A lady who do conductor. Do you know what it be conductor for Nigeria? All the picture is there. She tried to walk. Then, no be that one what come for. She can't say she dey win, she don't they make money for business. I remember this Mercy Kalu when she still measure. I follow Mercy Kalu through Sandra reality to subscribe. She says she appreciates. I appreciate you, sis. As far as you say you appreciate those who assist you, because I can't tell you say those Janelo NJ people now they follow you because now they share you. It can't be like say you know they appreciate them. They can't they feel like say that they regret. But this your video when you can't give us now. You show us say you appreciate them. You appreciate them. NJ, it just play a role for you to get your audience for YouTube, because YouTube hard to get audience. YouTube hard to get subscriber. YouTube hard to get 4,000 watch hour. YouTube hard. But NJ just support you for your channel. Then NJ tell you, say, may you talk like this. That one 100% true. As you talk, I not say na lie, you lie. Me, I don't dey YouTube. Now she dey inside river. They say now who dey inside river, they tell person how the river deep. And they don't already dey social media. I don't know all those my sisters, all those my reaction sisters. I don't know whether I say like that. You know, person when they inside deep river. Now you go tell person when they ask her, say the river deep well. I believe when NJ they encourage her. If now watch her first video, NJ is there. Second video, NJ is there. Third video, NJ is there. You know what should they talk about her story? Now NJ tell her say, so when people mind. You come out with your story. You will make it in YouTube. YouTube, there is money. YouTube, there is this business. You will catch out. People will fair pitting on you. Now, NJ tell our sister. Now, NJ tell Sandra reality. Battle with NJ. Now, she tells Sandra reality. May she come out to say something like that. But that is her story. It's her story when she come out. Not for me. I don't look and say she deceive us. I don't look NJ. May she use and say she I just put that title, you know. I don't look that side like say NJ deceive us. NJ don't already dey social media. She understand what people want. She understand what people really need. Then Sandra get the vibe. Sandra get the thing to give out. Then she encourage Sandra to come. You can make it. And Sandra still talk and say she and NJ they know for a pharmacy. And I remember their Q&A. That is video when they do together, how they say no. NJ talk and say where she for no Sandra, now where they for they do something. Because this woman person, she try. If now go watch, there are two China. When now go watch, they get when they do together video. I know they join anybody. I know two of them, they are my sisters, they are my love, I like two of them. Who still do? I will still bring and come on. But they try to clear some of us mind for this social media. Say our sister don't dey strong do a lot of things. She said bitter leave. Oh, my sister, why God will not bless you? God will bless you. God will keep blessing you. And I know they do and say you know me. Oh, I like how you carry your family. Me, I love my family. Not all sisters love family. Not all brothers. Not everybody will carry family. I love how you take care of. Not everybody won't care about their children. Some mothers that they born, they deny their children. But who God have blessed, no one can cost. For me, keep doing you. Keep being you. Keep it up, okay? As you take say you sell bitter leaf, you do conductor, you do, I know people say, why you go they do, why you come out now? Yes, you come out because the talk is too much. You need to clear how you say no NJ and how you and NJ say no. I remember when I do that on a video, that time I remember, but the truth still remain. You don't already start life. No be say you don't appreciate NJ. As me dey now. No be say I dey hungry. No be say I don't see food to eat. Person wey even show me how to grow my subscriber, I appreciate am. Talk of you just dey people organic view, you know. I believe as you talk and say you appreciate it, you say you appreciate it. You say e get one time when you want give up, when you don't want the video again, when you and NJ get nobody when they know they get argument too. Argument can cause quarrel. Argument can cause anything. You and your brother and sister fit to get. You and your mother fit to get too. Now ability to settle. I say she come back. You almost give up with that China. Don't give up with that China. I beg if you want to give up, remember me, okay? Remember me, okay? Remember me. No give up, okay? I love your vibe. Why God? Those who struggle, those who work, God must bless you. Now your vibe keep you there. And God have born you to become great. They just shut down your first husband life. But who God have blessed, no one can cost. That is why God still bring the same man. No, that in fact, person when go fit take care of you, God bring am for you. The car when you dey ride with your husband, he buy am for you. And he love your children. Why? You still give advice. Say, single mother out there, don't look say it's the end of the life. Struggle. Keep your vibe. Not verse I did. Any of your video, when I see. I love those vibe. Okay? I will keep on still putting it here. Forget the title. You know, so you say they give us title. You know, they would you know, now all those our corner, all those organic people when they don't be content now, they don't understand. Now they don't understand the YouTube, my sister and NJ do the good work for you to tell you to use your story to come online, not to deceive people. You don't already start your life. My people, my beautiful sisters out there, when you now fix say Sandra and NJ deceive now, not be deceived. Now her real true life story. Now she dey talk. Imagine my late brother when he died. Anytime I remember, and now I know they talk about him again, I'll just sit down and they cry. Imagine I did live stream or I did social media or I want to talk about him. I want to bring his story and my story out. I can't talk without I no cry. I must share that tears. Okay? Before our sister Sandra they talk, she dey remember the suffer and still her husband not still succeed and how she struggle and how her mother-in-law die. Only her, and at that tender age. She even come out, she gave birth to her first child as a teenage. I beg, okay? If you dey vex, maybe she wrong you, forgive her. Or maybe you help her, you can't dey regret. No look and say you help her, you help God. Now God, now you help, not she, okay? If I offend anybody on this my video, I not do want to offend NJ, I not do want to offend Sandra, I not do want to know their fakes, make them know me. No, I don't want to waiting I like to do, okay? I dey do my reaction not to insult, not to bully. And all those our social media sisters, please, okay? If you see any of them do something, you want to talk to them without no insult. That person, they say he fought without no insult, without no bullying, okay? Our sister don't come out and say she appreciates Mercy Carlo. I know that lady too. God will bless you. Our sister, imagine you saw a big seed for her life. Today she dey talk and she wins something. Yes, it's really true. May una go do search about that business, that thing when she talk about. May una go do research. It really exists. It dey exist. Yes, it dey exist. It dey exist. Okay, she really do one. God will bless every one of you who sow seed, who contribute to her life. She don't make video now. Say she appreciate every one of you, and she still encourage single mother out there. You are a single mother. It doesn't define anything from you. What do you go do? Gather your pieces and keep pushing. She said bitterly, she do conductor, talk about. She even talk one of the video when they for lead her for something. You know, when she don't gather her audience, then she shut, she stop. People they say, why now? Why now? Now she they come out to go talk. Yes. Now waiting our sister NJ lecture her. Once you come out, you don't already get your audience. Then keep on posting your normal content. Now she start to do because I remember when she talked about her mother-in-law. He said, I'm coming back and I see my sister rich. But it's good, my sister. Keep your story to yourself, okay? Keep it, let it be your secret, okay? Sometimes we need to keep our story as a secret so that other people will not use it against us, okay? Please, if you like this my YouTube channel, Naija Daughter, we dey talk am with broken. I hope na broken I dey talk am with broken naka as e be. Subscribe, help me to share, give me thumbs up, drop your comments. Now love, oh, I dey do, I know they do, I know they do, I know they do, I know they do. Oh.